Hello and a very warm welcome. You are watching WION Fine Print. I'm Molly Gambhir. We are starting off with the latest from India. The daily COVID-19 case count has scaled a new peak. The country reported a daily surge of over 145,000 cases in the last 24 hours. It is the fourth consecutive day that India has reported over 100,000 fresh infections. The country recorded more than 13 million cases to date. It has the world's third highest number of infections after the United States and Brazil. 794 people lost their lives to the deadly infection on Friday, taking the total death toll to over 168,000. Let's break down the figures further for you. On your screen is the number of daily cases that India has recorded for the past 1 week. An upward surge fueled by new coronavirus variants. 10 states are now showing an upward trajectory of daily new cases. However, India's death rate remains low as compared to the rest of the world. Maharashtra is the worst affected Indian state. The financial capital of India and Maharashtra's state capital, Mumbai, went into a weekend lockdown from Friday evening to contain the spike in cases. In the wake of the recent wave of infections, states and union territories across India have introduced new virus control measures. On Saturday, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, said that his government will soon introduce new restrictions to combat the surge. New Delhi, the national capital, already has a night curfew in place. The second wave of COVID-19 comes as India continues with its successful vaccination campaign. The South Asian nation has administered over 98 million vaccines to date as it continues to inoculate millions every day. Note that India's vaccination numbers are among the highest in the world. Meanwhile, sharing some good news with our viewers, India has administered 100 million vaccine doses in 85 days. That's the fastest in the world. That tweet from the country's minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, has made this announcement. As India's total infection figure stands at over 13 million, the country reported a daily surge of over 145,000 cases in the last 24 hours. It is the fourth consecutive day that India has reported over 100,000 fresh infections. It has the world's third highest number of infections after the United States and Brazil. 794 people lost their lives to the deadly infection on Friday. That takes the total death toll of the country to over 168,000. Now, while the COVID-19 numbers continue to jump, there's some good news on the vaccination front. India has administered 100 million vaccine doses in 85 days. That tweet from the country's Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on your screen. India is the fastest country to administer 100 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine is what the tweet says, the time period being just 85 days.